myself a mocha. The lady at the counter said, happy holidays. I said, thanks, lady. I am pretty happy, but there's only one holiday that makes me feel that way. And it's Christmas. What more can I say? It's about the birth of Christ, and you can't take that away. You can call it something else, but that's not what it'll be. It's called Christmas with the capital C. God's got a law, and we pretty much destroyed it. Oh, we're gonna get judged, there's no way to avoid it. Oh, but Jesus came down to take the punishment for me. He did it for you too, so now maybe you can see why it's called.
guys?
What can I say? It's about the birth of Christ, and you can't take that away. You can call it something else, but that's not what it'll be. It's called Christmas with the capital C. It's called Christmas.
Oh, yes, we want to say happy holidays because we don't want to leave anybody out, really. How come there's a ton of holidays in February? Nobody ever says happy holidays in February, do they? They say what it is. Happy Valentine's. Oh, do you believe in love?
It's called Christmas.
But nobody wants to say Christmas. Everything asks me Christmas. Why? I know why. You too. It's because it's got Christ in it, and after 2,000 years, he's still intimidating people. You see, when a religious person says, I'm the way, people don't want to hear it.